Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be comparing two popular AI video editing tools, InVideo AI and Pictory AI. We'll dive into their features, ease of use and how they help you create videos quickly and efficiently. So let's start with InVideo AI, and it's a powerful tool designed for content creators and marketers. It offers an intuitive drag and drop interface, ready-made templates and advanced text-to-video functionality. On InVideo's dashboard, you'll notice a clean layout with options for creating um, videos from scratch or using templates. And the AI can automatically transform your script into a video with matching visuals and music. And next up, we have Pictory AI. So this one focuses heavily on simplifying video creation by converting long-form content like blog posts or articles into short, engaging videos. It also leverages AI to match visuals with your content. Pictory AI has an easy to navigate interface with options to upload long content and trim it into bit-sized pieces. It's also available. It also has text-to-speech for voiceover narration and making the whole process super efficient. So let's compare both tools. InVideo AI offers a wider range of templates and customization options for different types of videos, while Pictory AI excels in transforming written content into video quickly. Both use AI, but Pictory is more focused on content repurposing. Now, choosing between these two will depend on your needs. If you're looking for quick, high quality video creation with lots of template, go with InVideo AI. But if you want to repurpose long form content into video with ease, Pictory AI is a great option. And that's it for this quick comparison. Let me know in the comments which tool you prefer. And feel free to subscribe for more video creation tips.